Yo, we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. This is a quick update episode because I got stopped out of our Roblox trade and then I entered two new fresh trades. We're going to go over it real quick. Starting off with Roblox, we moved up the stop loss to our entry price. So this was basically a free trade. We wanted to break this all-time high level and then really run from there. But it rejected, and then today some news came out about some concerns about slow growth. I don't really care about the news. I like to read the charts, and it looks like it might just be an overreaction. Roblox, there's a lot of overreactions and news correlated with the stock. Over here, where you see a gap down from this to this the next day, that was because some lawsuit news about children not being protected on the Roblox site. I don't really, the news doesn't matter to me. I like to just see that it's held support at this 50-day average, this yellow line you can see here. It broke down to there, but then for a couple of days consolidated there and then eventually went up. So it could just be an overreaction. We might see this again here. If we see it again here, then I don't mind re-entering and then playing that break off, because when it breaks off, it's really gonna run. I almost got stopped out of Futu, which is the China stock. Right now, it's not looking good. The stop loss is literally right under this candle. Yesterday, almost got stopped out. Today, it looks like we're having a little inside day candle right there. It's not looking too hot, but the ETF, which follows the China mega stocks, I think believe it is called FXI. There it is. So this ETF follows all the China plays, all the China stocks. And you can see here, it's coming out of a bottom. My thing's a little laggy right now. My connection's not too good, guys, but bear with me. So it's coming out of this bottom right here. If it breaks that, China could be there could be some good China stock plays like Baba. Right now we are in Futu. So that's why we're going to continue holding it. If not, then I get stopped out of that and then we'll see. Starting off with the new trade, Amazon. We've been watching Amazon, thinking that was going to break out of the all-time highs, this resistance here, and then continue have a good run for Amazon. But it's actually rejected that level and then pulled back all the way down to the 200-day average, this red line. Showed support there, and now we remounted the blue line, our 9-day EMA. That's our short-term trend. So the short-term trend looking like it's going to continue going up. You can see the MACD right here curling up, starting to curl up right there at the bottom. So I entered anticipating we go back to this range high, and then you could take profits. And depending on what type of trader you are, you could take profits there, or you could continue holding. If you're more of a long-term investor, continue holding that, because if it breaks that, it's going to have room to run. Amazon's a huge mega cap. And then going to the crypto side, Bitcoin is rallying right now. Look at this, above this range that we highlighted in our previous videos. It's looking really good for crypto right now, all risk on. I entered into Aave. As you can kind of see, same thing as Amazon. Let's look it back so you guys could see. Same concept, how it held support at the 200-day average and now remounted the 9. Kind of saw the same thing with Aave. See, same thing, remounted the 9 EMA and the 20-day average. We could target the top of the range around here or continue holding depending on how we like it. Basically the same thing. And then near, we entered again. We actually exited out because it's just been consolidating on this 50-day average, so it wasn't really much movement. We have this on leverage trading on Hyperliquid and Aster, so I didn't want to use the funding and just continue holding that. So I got out, small loss, waiting for it to remount it, and it did that yesterday. We're sitting in profits. It's looking really, really good for near, above the 9-day EMA and the 20-day moving average. Holding that, hopefully we could sell at the top of this resistance where it's going to find and might reject there. And then if it breaks that, near is going to look really, really good for a nice run up. You could probably buy some spot bags on Coinbase and just ride the wave up as Bitcoin continues going up and Ethereum keeps going up. I believe all these coins will be looking good. Looking at Ethereum real quick, above the key moving averages, looking really, really good to get to our top of the range. And that's it, guys. 2 new trades, including Near. So actually 3 new trades, Near, Aave, and Amazon. Follow it if you like it. Do your own due diligence.